To rearrange or reorder assistant menu item in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu and then tap select assistant menu items. Here you can see item you have added to the assistant menu in the top section. To rearrange or reorder assistant menu item, drag and drop an item to the desired position. Given to the function, it will be useful if you place your most favorite item to the top list so you can easily find and access them from the assistant menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.